Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get ready.
The Mercedes M113 E50 engine is a continua in the series of M113 motors. Produced the model for quite a long time, but many owners are known from the Mercedes C-Class. The motor is quite efficient, and has minor problems. Characteristics and features of the motors. The 5-litre power unit M113 E50 is based on the M113 E43 block, and together with this is almost a full analogue of the M112 E37, but with 2 additional cylinders and without a balancer shaft. Mercedes-Benz M113 E50. The cylinder heads are unified with the E37, aluminum, 1 camshaft per cylinder head, SOHC, and 3 valves per cylinder, 2 intake, 1 exhaust. The diameter of the inlet valves is 36 mm, the exhaust valves 41 mm. It still uses a variable valve timing system, hydrocompensators, and variable length intake manifold. The timing drive is chain life is about 200,000 kilometers. The control system is Bosch Motronic ME 2.8. The engine was designed for Mercedes models with the Index 500. Let's consider the main technical characteristics of the motor M113 E50. Stuttgart Bad Cannstatt plant 5.0 litre, 4,966 centimeters cc. 12.3 litres for every 100 kilometers of mileage in mixed mode engine oil. 0W30, 0W45, W35, W45, W50, 10W. 4010 W50, 15W, 4015 W50 engine. Modifications. For a long time of production of the power unit, a significant number of motor modifications were produced, which were widely distributed. Let's consider what varieties the M113 E50 motor has. M113 E50 engine. M113.960, 1998 to 2006. Version with a power of 306 horsepower at 5,600 rpm, torque 460 Nm at 2,700 rpm. It was installed on Mercedes-Benz SL 500 C215 and S500 W220. M113.961, 1998 to 2001, analog of M113.960 for Mercedes-Benz SL 500 W129. M113.962, 1999 to 2007, version with an output of 296 horsepower at 5,600 rpm, torque 456 Nm at 2,800 rpm. It was installed on Mercedes-Benz G500 W463. M113.963, 2001 to 2006, analog of M113.960 for Mercedes-Benz SL 500 R230. M113.964, 2001 to 2007, version with an output of 292 horsepower at 5,600 rpm, torque 440 Nm at 2,700 rpm. It was installed on Mercedes-Benz ML 500 W163 and ML 500 W164. M113.966, 2002 to 2005, analog of M113.960 for Mercedes-Benz S500 Fullmatic W220. M113.967, 2003 to 2006, M113.960 analog for Mercedes-Benz E500 W211 and CLS 500 C219. M113.968, 2002 to 2006, analog of M113.960 for Mercedes-Benz CLK 500 C209. M113.969, 2003 to 2006, M113.960 analog for Mercedes-Benz E500 4MATIC W211. M113.971, 2006 to 2007, analog of M113.960 for Mercedes-Benz R500 W639. Maintenance. Maintenance of M113 motors does not differ from standard power units of this class. Maintenance is carried out at an interval of 15,000 kilometers. Recommended maintenance should be performed every 10,000 kilometers. Typical faults. The problems of the M113 family for all motor volumes are the same and are repeated with motors of the 112 series. The reason for this is a number of design features that can spoil the mood of any former motorist. Let's consider the main faults that are found on the power unit. Restoration of the M113 E50 motor. Increased oil consumption. All to blame for the wear and tear of oil caps. Replacing the elements will solve the problem. Engine oil leakage. Usually leaks from the heat exchanger gasket. Replacement solves the problem. Vibration. As on any other motor, the cause becomes the cushion, which must be replaced. Engine M113 E50, quite reliable and quality engines produced by Mercedes. As for repair, it is recommended to contact a service station, but most motorists carry out repair and restoration work on their own. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz M113 E50 engine stands as a remarkable example of engineering excellence, combining power, performance, and reliability. With its robust design and advanced technology, this engine has left a lasting impact on the automotive world, particularly in the luxury and performance segments. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply appreciate fine engineering, the M113 E50 represents a significant chapter in Mercedes-Benz's storied history. Thank you for watching, and we hope you gained valuable insights into this iconic engine.